Hello everybody and welcome to Slime Ranch. Make a new game. Choose a scene. Oh, I'm taking this one. No, this one. It's really cute. I'll name it, yeah, XD is Samuel. Yeah, let's just name it that. Adventure, yeah. Freshwater can, okay. Holy crap, this at 7. Whoa, this go really fast. Woo. Okay, this go really fast. Ooh, slimes. Jump, shift to sprint, okay. Ooh, slimy. Get the slimes. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're so adorable. Yay, slimes. Stand there, slimes. Feed him chicken. Chicken. Eat the chicken, slimes. Come on, slimes. Eat the chicken. Boonk. I did look some video of this game. It's really cool. So that's why I'm playing this game. I got it. Can you left mouse shoot? Yes, I know. Can you get out? Thanks. Oh my god. The dry. Oh. Oh, look at all those slimes. Just take everything like this. Take all of it. Take all the slimes. Yep. Just launch the slime. Look at this. Look what you can do in the slime ocean. Boom! I just waste a slime. Just collect more of those fruits. Pogo fruits. Carrot. Yep. Let's just go back home. Shoot it in the. Boom. Okay, let's 360 no scope a slime in there. Okay, yeah, that's not a 360, but woo! Whoops! Come back here, slime. Go in there. What can I do with here? Oh, no, it's fine. They won't escape. But now what I want to do is go. Yeah. Here you go. Let's put carrot or pogo fruit. Let's put pogo fruit. Okay, never mind. And let's just feed them. Plorts. Plortsy plorts. He's just diving in the food. Look at their face. They're so happy. Happy slime. Okay, the one that don't smile like that, that means they're hungry. He smiles. They're all okay. No, you need to be happy. Everybody need to be happy. Is everybody happy? I think so. Yep, everybody's happy. Let's go put this there. And I got $135. So, let's go. Dunk, 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 dunk. They get so big. Wait, I don't need you. Oh yeah, I forgot that I can sprint. Gold slime, gold slime, gold slime. Take the gold slime. Oh, no! They were gold slime. Goldie. slime, bro. Big slime. Ow, 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 I'm dying, I'm dying. Ow. Come in there. Why you can't come? You're too heavy? Oh, that's rock plorts. I want rock slimes. Come here. Don't hide. Oh, bigger slime. Those are big slime. Ow! Don't punch my face. That's not nice. Great. No, no, no! My slime, my slimes! Come back here. What's that? Come here. Whoa, that's big slime. Let's just go. Let's take that slime too. What does the rock slimes eat? Slimepedia. Slimes. Rock slimes. Diet. Veggies. Favorite food. Hurt eats. Okay, so they like veggies. I'll make you veggies. Chicken? Da, 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 da. Oh wait, I need to make another. Be happy. Give me money. Give me your poop and give me money. What the? Let's take this one. This chicken. How does it cost for 200? Okay, that's a lot. No, I forget. Just arg. Let's throw that there. No, my golden slime. Whoa, it's all pixel. Pixely. Pixel plort. I need way more money. Poop. Poop slimes. Wait, let's go here. Wait, what? Oh well. Just go. Let's just go here and I hope I find more plorts. Go away, don't need you. Just want. Oh my god, I want plorts. Vacuum. Whoa, come back here, plort. No. Okay, I got 10. I think that's enough for another coral. Wait, I don't know. Let's just go back and. Oh, great. Money. Okay. I guess my chicken. Whoa, that slime's fast. Kobe. Oh yeah. Yes, I got enough money. Let's put rock slime. go get veggies. Let's go be it. Alright, I missed. Okay, ready? Kobe. Whoops, that was too far. Okay, let's see. Here. Kobe. Oh my god, seriously? Dunk. What is that? Let's just go in my... What? Look at my slime thing. They eat all the food. And they are hungry. Fast. Take those things. Eat. Eat, 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 eat. What? Oh yeah, veggies, not fruit. Uh-oh, I need carrots. I need carrots. Uh-oh, fast, fast, fast. I need veggies. I need veggies. I need those things. Come on, fast, fast, fast. Don't. God, enough. Arg. Need more. Don't want them to die. Give me it. Here you go, here you go. Eat the veggies. Whoa. Flying slimes, I guess. Oh my god, this one didn't eat. Okay, yes, I need to make a farm of carrots. Yeah. Uh-oh. Carrots, carrots. Is there any carrots? Whoa. Give me my carrots. Give me carrots. Give me all your food. Where do I go for carrots? Oh my god, grow! Oh my god, I need carrots. Oh wait, I forgot. I forgot you can't do that. Okay, yeah, I need to go back to the ranch. You're not happy. Here you go. Take food. Wait, where is he? Take food. Be happy. No, jeez, what the frig? Come here, you. What the frig? What are you? Ah! Go away, go away. Get wrecked. What are you? I think they don't like water, so let's just go take water. Where's my water going? What? Where are they? Oh, there they are. Come here, come here, come here. Go in the slime ocean. You can't come here. You're not allowed. Come here, come here, come here. You're not invited to my birthday. Stop eating the slimes! Go away! No, 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 no. There's two more, there's two more. Come here, come here, come here. No, don't eat the slimes! Bad for you. Ow. I just saved your life and you punched me in the face. Well, thank you. That was nice. Give me carrots. Carrots. Give me it. Carrots. Wait, did I forget one? Okay, yeah. Let's make a farm. Actually, no. Let's feed my... Ow. Eat it. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to do something. Hehehe. This is gonna be good. Okay. You get a pink floor. Ow. You get a pink floor. Ow. You get a pink floor. You get a... Okay, I need more pink floors. Ow! Stop. Wait, where is... Ow! Stop kicking me! Go away. Okay. You need one? Eat it! Finally, eat it. Good boy. Now I can just do this. Hey! Oh my god, look at all those boards. This is gonna be money for days. Eat the fruits. Okay, I'm missing fruits. Is that done? Nope. Okay. Wait, yes it is. A little bit. Just take it anyways. What? Okay, yes, I know what I need to do. High walls. Ah, now they can't escape. Go back inside. Hehehe. Yeah! No, that's not a good idea. Just put one there. Eat that sword. Eat that sword. Yeah, good boy. Do I have enough money? Ooh, music. No, sword collector. $500. Seriously? Ah! Yeah, go away, I need your boards. Ah! Okay. I survived. I survived in the tornado. Go back inside. What are you doing there? There is slimes everywhere. Let's feed them. They want to escape because they're hungry. Don't have a lot of food. Eat. What is it? I'm not giving that. And herpes. What the? Where am I looking? That, nope. I'm not giving that to you. I'm going to get veggies and food and all that poop. No, don't eat it, don't eat it. No, mine. My carrots. Yes, more carrots. Yes, a lot of food. I'm getting a lot of food. Wait, there's a lot of food there. Who are you? What are you? Yep. Yup, slimy. Yep. Oh, I'm stuck. Help. Da-da-da. God, my little brother again. It's just, oh, chicken. Seriously, again? Oh, double kill. I think so. Let's say it's a double kill. Nope. You're not going eating my slime. You're going. They poop out. They poop out friends. Now I'm stuck. Yay! Who loves stuck? Me. Who loves to be stuck? Me. Oh wait, yeah, I can't get any more. Can't get more. Those things. What? Okay, never mind. I need to be rich, but I'm not enough rich. I need money. Oh my god, there's splorts everywhere. Let's just give them food. Yeah, just like this. Okay. You guys need food? Here we go. Eat. Just put you more food, and you too. Yeah, and you're okay. Let's get those things right there. Get the go away. Give me the ports. Oh, double plort. I didn't know that. Here. Hey, they're not killing me. Okay, yep, they're killing me. They're killing me. Can I get out of here, please? Hey, you. Go back there. Yep, let's just go sleep. Turn to ranch. Yeah, they're still eating. You guys still happy? Yep, still happy. They need food. You guys, did you just eat all the food? No, okay, let's just give this to them. Oh, baby, pogo fruit. I need the plorts. Oh my god, go away. Give me the plorts. Give me those. Ow. Give me those plorts. Do you hear that chicken say bakak, bakak, bakak? Oh jeez, they need food. Again. Take the carrot then. upgrades. Let's just put that in there. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this episode, this video right here. So yeah, I'll make a part 2 but tomorrow. But I'm going to end this video right here. So see you in the next episode. And to finish the video, throw the slime. Boom. See ya. Wait. Okay, yeah. Bye. See you in the next video.